Let's move on to the second concept in the Howwe way of working, key activities. Key activities are the few impactful activities the team needs to focus on to make progress on reaching their most important goals. Often these have already been specified in a business plan. In contrast to regular activities, key activities have a clear impact on their most important goal. Simple examples of key activities are calling prospective clients to reach the most important goal, increase customer base, or the key activity, publish content on LinkedIn to reach the most important goal, increase brand awareness. Howwe supports two types of key activities. Weekly key activities, where the same activity is completed every week to accelerate towards reaching the team goals, and unique key activities that are collected in a sprint. These are two ways of working that suit different teams. However, both have in common that there are key activities that have a clear impact on reaching the team goals. The Howwe way of working makes it easy to understand how a team is performing in pursuit of their most important goals and whether attention is needed before the most important goal starts to lag. The key is to also measure how much of their key activities each team achieves each week. Look at this acceleration board with most important goal performance per team. Looking only at performance of goals, it looks as if the IT department has a problem. But if you also add key activity performance, it becomes clear that the IT department is probably on the right track and doing everything they can to catch up on their goals. Sales and marketing, however, is lagging behind on key activities, and unless this changes, their most important goals will soon start to lag too. The team can now proactively discuss how to address this. Why are they falling behind on their key activities? What is needed for this to change? Let's look at key activity examples using the same MIG example as before. Increase the number of employees from 73 to 100 by the end of the year. A lot of different activities come to mind that would help achieve this goal. But which one has the greatest impact on this goal? It sometimes helps to think of the work a team does as a process and to ask which step in our process needs extra attention each week. In this case, the team decides that booking the candidate interviews is the step in their recruitment process that needs the most focus and has the greatest impact on reaching their most important goal. What would the same example look like in a sprint? In a sprint, the unique key activities that are critical to achieving the goals are collected. For example, analyzing staff turnover or improving the ads of vacancies. Each key activity in the sprint has a clearly defined owner, deadline, and what the definition of done is. Don't forget to browse library to find relevant examples for your team.